Hello, welcome back to my sewing room. My name is Robyn and today is Friday Sews. I can't believe today is the last day of 2021 and tomorrow will be 2022. We're getting ready to go to a New Year's Eve party tonight at our clubhouse, so I wanted to stop in and wish everybody a Happy New Year and just to go over a few things that's on my sewing table. Right now I'm trying to make this again, the Dottie Angel dress, Simplicity 9122. I just cut this out of that daisy fabric I showed you last Friday. I'll show you. Here's the front bodice I just cut out. I had to adjust it when I did the muslin. Here's the muslin, and when I made the muslin, it is too big. I had to taper in the sleeves that much. So I cut this much. I took an inch and tapered down to the cap sleeve that much and cut that off the pattern on both sides. And then I took a 1/2 inch off the sides of the pattern. And we'll see if this one will fit better. So that's on my cutting table right now. I have the front and the back cut out of this. I still have to cut out a facing. I'm going to do a facing because I don't like doing the bias binding. So I'm going to do like a facing on the front and back, but I'm still going to put the pockets in. So I can't wait to see how this comes out. I just love that dress. It's so cute. So that's on my cutting table. And then coming up in a future video, I went to Joann's the other day and I bought this beautiful fabric with little hearts. This is a flannel, like a tie-dye flannel with little hearts. And then I bought this to go with it. I'm going to do a future Valentine's Day project with this fabric. Isn't that pretty? This is also a flannel. So make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. Also coming up in a future video, I'll be doing a tutorial on how to sew with minky fabric. I'm going to make this baby blanket for my future granddaughter with this beautiful minky fabric and this flannel. So stay tuned for that. I can't wait to see how this turns out. And Jen gave us some prompts for today's Friday Sews. And the first question is, what are your greatest challenges for 2022? My greatest challenges for 2022, I think, will be to get my 4,000 watched hours and get to my 1,000 subscribers. I'm about 416 subscribers. I'm getting close to 500, so I can't wait to reach that goal and be able to use the community tab. And I still need to get those 4,000 watched hours. That's going to be the hardest, I think. And I'll be going to Texas when my granddaughter's born. How am I going to keep filming my videos? Because they don't have a sewing machine. I'm going to have to see if I can find somebody up there that has a sewing machine I can borrow. And I can do some good fabric hauls because they have some really cool fabric places in Dallas. So that might be fun. So that'll be a little bit of a challenge to see how I can come up with that while I'm in Texas. And let's see, what new thing will you be attempting in 2022? I definitely want to try doing some live sew-alongs or do some live videos. I think that will be fun. I'm excited to see what 2022 brings. How about you guys out there? What are some things that you're looking forward to in 2022 that you want to do? And what would be your greatest challenge in 2022? Drop them in the comments below. I love to read your comments. And I just want to say thank you to everyone who's subscribed to me already. I really appreciate it. I'm having so much fun doing these videos and sharing my love of sewing with all of you. So I just thank you for joining me today. And y'all have a so blessed day, and I'll see you next year. Bye for now.